northern end of Penhale SAC on the coastal headland just above Holywell Beach. We've got a mixture of habitats here, and one of the sort of significant ones is species-rich coastal grassland. We're fighting a sort of constant battle with scrub encroachment, and one of the bits of kit we use to manage the balance of habitats is the flail collector, which you might be able to see behind me on the back of the tractor. This is a fantastic bit of kit because it not only does it cut the vegetation, it collects it and enables you to remove it. So the area we've been working on started life like this here, which is sort of advancing scrub, bracken, bramble and gorse with a bit of willow mixed in, which is a great habitat, but we don't want it over the entire headland, so we're doing a bit of cutting to diversify the habitat. It's brilliant for birds, reptiles hide in it, so we don't want to get rid of it all, we just want a bit of a balance. So what I did here was I used a different flail, not the one that's on at the moment, but a front mounted flail, because the vegetation is really high and I don't know quite what's under it. I didn't want to just drive straight in with the tractor, so we used a flail on the front of the tractor which cut it, and it ends up looking like where I'm stood now. This headland's really good for spring squirrel, Dyer's greenweed, betony, things like that, and they don't really stand much of a chance coming through this sort of thick mat. So with the flail collector, what I'm doing is I'm tidying up this a bit, so going over it again and trying to remove a bit of the material, but also cutting some other areas where the vegetation's a bit lighter. Just one pass with that, and it collects all the material, leaves a nice open sward ready for cattle or ponies to graze it, and for all the nice flowers to come through. The big pile just here is all the material that we take off with the flail collector, so we're able to collect it all up, and then what I'll do with the tractor and the trailer is move it all to a sacrificial corner of the site where we allow it to compost, and that keeps all the material out of the way and helps generally lower the nutrient levels across the headland.